SCT's 4PM9 freighter exits Eden Hills Tunnel, heading upgrade towards Blackwood, with the service hauled by 3 different classes of engine, with a 4th different class in tow on transfer of VL359, bound for use by Southern Short Haul Railroad in New South Wales. Eden Hills Tunnel is located on the Adelaide to Melbourne line in the Adelaide Hills, only 15 kilometres from the CBD, with several other shots featured in the region later in the video. But for now, we head north for a double rake ARTC rail train bound for New South Wales from Spencer Junction, with Pacific National in charge of haulage using a single NR for 1,455 tonnes of train. The train is seen just north of Mambray Creek alongside the Flinders Ranges between Port Augusta and Port Pirie, on the extension of the Trans-Australian Railway line, with the service set to proceed south to Crystal Brook before heading northeast onto the Broken Hill line. Back in the Adelaide Hills, we're only 2 kilometres from our previous shot of SCT's 4PM9, with us now situated on the southern side of Sleeps Hill, looking across the valley towards the Adelaide to Melbourne railway line, where the AK inspection cars will soon appear with double 1950 Streamliner GM class engines on the lead, heading downgrade into the hill's longest and only double track tunnel, Sleeps Hill. Out in the eastern parts of the Adelaide Hills, we're just outside the township of Kellington, at the 69 kilometre post for a late running Pacific National super freighter heading from Melbourne across to Perth, with this late running service designated 3MP5 hosting a mixture of NRs in different liveries on the lead. Back in the mid-north, we're now on the Broken Hill line, which stretches northeast from the Adelaide to Port Augusta line at Crystal Brook, connecting to New South Wales, where an Aurizon Intermodal is about to pass the old narrow gauge Dow's Hill Tunnel with an LZ engine in tow on transfer.